Are you on Facebook? Are you looking to stay connected with your Making Memories Tours travel family? At Making Memories Tours, we are always looking to grow our Making Memories Tours travel family. If you have not liked our Facebook page, we encourage you to go to Facebook, find our page, and become a Making Memories Tours travel family member today. On our Facebook page, you will be able to travel along with our groups on the road, stay connected with your family travel members, and interact with them. How do you do this, you ask? Go to Making Memories Tours on Facebook. If you have not liked our page, like and follow our page. Our travel family loves interacting with our groups while they're traveling. Say hello to familiar faces and let them know you're enjoying the photos. You can even share our posts and pictures to your Facebook page. If you love making memories as much as we do, invite your friends to like and follow our page as well. Go to our page, click the three little dots on the right-hand side, hit the Invite Friends button, click Select All, and invite your family and friends to become Making Memories Tours travel family members.